YouTube, welcome back to another video, and this by far is gonna be one of my favorite unboxings. Y'all see it, 2 years waiting. I finally have it. PS5, the disc, the disc version. So it's not the whatever the other version is, the digital version. It is the pure disc and digital version, so I can put old disc in and play them. So I'm so glad I ended up getting this version. And let me tell y'all a quick little, not necessarily the story time, because I don't want this video to take all day for a simple unboxing. But it's been so hard to get this without having to buy an extra bundle like the God of War bundle or some kind of special like for 600. I was actually lucky enough to get the game without having to bundle it with anything. So I was able to buy the game that I wanted, which is mainly 2K. So I'm about to start streaming on my other channel, be it everything goes according to plan. So I'm just really excited right now because, like I said, I have not been playing a game like I really wanted to for like a very long time. Like, if y'all see my last couple videos, like with me showing off my Nintendo 64, I've really been playing like Zelda, going back playing games like that. So I ain't been having nobody to kind of get online, talk noise with, but whatever. All right, at the end of the day, y'all came here to see the unboxing. Let's get started. I'm behind the camera, so I don't know how this gonna work. I'm using my fingers, didn't really get no unboxing knife or whatever. So let me shut up. Try not to tear the box too much, even though I'm not taking it back regardless. So first and foremost, get this, set this to the side. I really have a whole lot of light, but y'all gonna have to make it work. If y'all hear my family in the background, y'all ignore that, because like I said, I wanted to drop this video 911 status, you hear me? So, all right, so pretty sure y'all have seen this already, but y'all ain't seen it from me. So again, even the dude outside, like before I came into my apartment, was like, "You got you one?" I'm like, "Yes, sir." I mean, one. So on the top, you got your controller right here. Got a nice little weight. Sound real clicky. Let's hit it. Okay, everything's feel pretty clicky. We'll load that up in just a second. All right, what else we got in here? So this is on the top, right? So this is like, as soon as you open up, in the words of Flossie Carter, get your usual books and shit, pluck them, file them to the side. Shout out to Floss, man. OG of YouTube right there. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side here. Didn't mean to do that. Oh well. You got your plug. I'm assuming this goes straight into the back of the PlayStation. Other end into the wall. So let's see. Other than that, now I've seen some videos about this here, this little disc thing. I'm not gonna even take this. Well, yes I am. It's an unboxing. Why not? But they say you set this on the side. I'm probably not going to be using this game on its side like I used to use the PS4. I'm going to try it a little different this time around. But if you want to set it to the side, you'll need that. So if you got that, don't throw that away. This your USB-C port. So this is the charger joystick. And lady was a good salesman. She tried to get me to go ahead and get like the charger and dock and all that. I'm like, I don't need that shit. Like, I'm just finna, it's just me playing it. I ain't really need two controller. Pretty sturdy. HDMI cable, I got plenty of these, so that's cool. But now I'm assuming it should be the main event. Like, what else is left in here to even get besides the game? All right. I might have to come from behind the camera just a little bit to do this. Let's throw all that shit. I'll clean all that up in a second. Game feel pretty solid, y'all. Right there. And here's this beautiful machine. All right, let's make sure we're setting it right. It should go like this. Yeah, because the PlayStation is up there. So when I set it on my stand, it'll be looking like this. So yeah. Alrighty, y'all. PlayStation. I'm gonna take some time, go ahead and hook everything up and power it up just to make sure all my stuff working. But this is it in a nutshell. Let me just do like that. All right, y'all, let's see what happens when we plug it in and what the screen looking like. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and here it is. Like I said, it won't be like this set up for long because I do plan on moving soon. That's my old PS4 camera up there. Haven't gotten a new yet, but y'all see all my tech gadgets down there. Like, I've been on that Zelda heavy because, like, I promised myself I was not going to buy another PS4 game, period. So I haven't played any newer version games until I got... This bitch interrupted me. I'm sorry. Shut up. All right, so, never mind what she was talking about. Okay, y'all, so, yeah, I guess she gonna say it in every language. I get it, lady. Push the button, like, whatever. So, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. As y'all see, everything is all set. Got it over there on the side for right now, but I'm gonna get all that straight. And here go all my stuff in the background, but once I set this up, I'm gonna start trying to stream on the channel a little bit, and hopefully y'all watch and stay tuned. I can't even focus on my video because she keeps interrupting me, but anyways, sub to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Shut up, lady, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.
Essence, born with less, but you still precious. Just smell foam in there.